Dust, invisible and yet everywhere. With every cut, every grind, every drilled hole, fine dust is generated. It remains in the air, often for hours, enters your respiratory system, and can cause long-term damage to your health. Without dust extraction, the exposure increases rapidly. Right at the tool, ultrafine dust is generated and not captured. Air quality drops into the hazardous range. Respiratory protection helps, but on its own, it is not sufficient. Connecting a powerful vacuum cleaner removes dust directly at its source, significantly reducing the exposure. However, with certain tools and materials, fine dust still escapes. For example, directly at the saw blade, where even the best vacuum cleaner cannot capture everything. This is where an additional construction air purifier makes the difference. While the vacuum cleaner works at the tool, AEROXX removes airborne particles from the room air, delivering measurably far better air quality with its HEPA 13 filter and pre-filter. Two systems, one goal: clean air. The measurement results are clear and leave no doubt. Working completely without dust extraction leads to massively increased dust exposure, exceeding all safety limits by far, up to 85% less dust in the room and 70% less dust on the user when an AEROXX is used in addition to the vacuum cleaner. Without dust extraction, hazardous. With a vacuum cleaner, significantly better. With a vacuum cleaner and an AEROXX, clean air. Measurably less dust, noticeably more protection. Find out more at starmix.de. Starmix, protect what matters to you.